Welcome back, friends. In this video we will see that in Microsoft Word how you can insert different page numbering on different parts of the document. So let's start. Here you can see that I have a document opened in Microsoft Word with dummy text. So I have different sections of the document. The first section, then we have the second section, which is acknowledgements, and then we have the introduction, and after that we have chapter 1 and so on. So my requirement is that I want page numbering to be started from this page. So this is actually page number 5, but I want to start page numbering from this page. So standard page numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And I want the page numbering to be appeared on the right bottom corner of the page. Secondly, I want to have Roman page numbering on initial set of pages. So I want to insert different page numbering on first 4 pages, and from 5th page I want different page numbering. So to achieve this, first of all we need to split the document into 2 sections. Currently this document is in a 1 section, and we need to split it into 2 sections so that we can apply different formatting on different sections. So first of all, let's show the paragraph marks so that we can clearly see what we are doing. So if you see here, we can see that here is a page break after this, after the 4th page number, and this is the 5th page number, and we want to create the section break after page number 4. I will click here and then I will go to layout menu, and after that I will go to breaks, and from here I will select next page under the section break. So I will select next page. So now we can see that we have created this section break after page number 4. So this is page number 5. Now we can see that this is the first section of the document. The second section starts from this page. So now let's try to insert the page numbering and see how it goes. So to insert the page numbering, we will go to insert and then we will go to page number, and from here we have different options. We will go to bottom of page and then we will select this option, since we want to have page numbering to be appeared on right bottom corner. So I will click here, and now we can see that page number has been inserted, but we can see that page numbering is started from the first page, not from the page number 5th. So on first page we can see there's a page number 1, page number 2 and so on. It goes up to end of the document, and on the page 5th where we want to have page number 1, currently it is page number 5. So to resolve this, what we need is we need to break the link between the 2 sections. So if you go into this section, the navigation section, and over here we can see link to previous, and this is currently enabled, and we will click here to break the link. Now we can modify the page numbering on the second section to be started from page number 1. So for that we will again go to insert page number, and then we will go to format page numbers. So in the bottom of the screen we can see the page numbering, and from here we will click on start at, and here we will select 1. So it is 1. So I will just click on OK. So now we can see that we have page number 1 on our introduction page. So this is what we wanted. So now this is our first page, and then we have the second page and third, fourth and so on. And if I go on the previous pages, we still have the numbering. Since this is a separate section, and on this section we also have to change format of the page. We want to have Roman page numbering on the first section. So for that, click on the page number and again go to insert page numbers and then format page numbers. And currently the page format is, this is selected 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here we will select the Roman numbering, this one, 1, 2 and 3. This is the Roman number format, and we will say that it should start from first Roman format. So we'll click on OK. So now we can see that Roman number formatting has been applied on our first section. So this is first page of our first section, and then this is second page of our first section, and this is our third page of our first section. This is our fourth page of our first section, and now this is our second section, and over here we have different number formatting. And now we can just click on header and footer and then click on close header and footer. And now let's hide the paragraph marks. And now we can see that we have successfully inserted the Roman page numbering on our first section and the standard page numbering on our second section, which is starting from page number 5. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.